In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to export to PDF in Airtable. So let's get started. So here we are in Airtable, and from here, we have this current app that we have built. So basically you want to go into your app first and then go into one of these views that you would want to use to export. So in my case, I'm using the grid view. And if you're satisfied with this, then you can now proceed. If not, then you can click here on create new and choose the view that you would want. For example, is gallery, click on create new view. And then from here is that basically you just need to click here on this one right here. You'd be able to see gallery or whatever view you are in. Click on that. And then from here, click on print view. And then you will now be prompted in here. So you just basically need to click here on save as PDF and click on save. And that's it. You have now exported your view or your data here from Airtable to PDF. And same goes for other views like grid view, click on print view. Same thing, you just have this print settings first before you can proceed to the print page. So you can choose the paper size, layout, field sizing, font size, and other options. Click on print, and then you'll be prompted here again and just simply click on save, and then the location. So yeah, that's it on how you'd be able to export as PDF on Airtable. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.